everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Kim Kardashian, kind of the flicky ends hair tutorial. Just because I've been seeing this on Instagram like 24/7. I think a lot of people have like a ponytail they put in. But you can do it with straighteners and literally it's so easy to do. So I just wanted to do a tutorial on that. So if you are new here, I'd absolutely love if you would stick around and join the little family by subscribing, and let's just get straight on into it. All you need is a little clip just to hold some bits of your hair back. You need a bobble that's kind of the same colour as your hair, or a clay bobble would be ideal, and also just a brush. I'm just brushing my hair through just to make sure it's all smooth and not got any knots in it or anything. So you want to just take a section, like I said, either side that's the same. So I just kind of start with one side like this, and I literally just do it with my finger because I find that makes it quite even. So you just kind of keep fiddling around with it until you get that line straight. Like you can see, that's kind of just like quite an even section there, as even as it's going to get. And then you just pin the rest of this little bit back just for a second. You basically want to just match that to the other side, so go along the same line. Okay, so now I've got my two sections either side. I'm looking a bit crazy. You've got to just trust the process during this. I feel like it looks a bit crazy during, but trust me, it looks good at the end. So then what you want to do is you want to just take out the clip from this side but keep hold of the hair and kind of just clip it all back for a second. Okay, so then what you want to do is take these front sections and just make sure it's brushed down really smooth. You could use a comb for this, but I find that a tangle teaser has really like close together teeth, are they called? So I just use that, and then you literally want to put it, after you've brushed it, put it behind your ear for a second while you do the other one. This is where the clay bubble comes in. So you want to just pull these bits of hair either side to the very back of your head, like underneath all your hair. And then you want to make sure that it's really tight at this point. You can let go of the rest now. So then you just connect both pieces of hair at the back. I kind of can't really show you, but basically I've just pulled this bit to the back and the other bit to the back, and I'm just going to tie them in this bubble. Okay, so that's the hardest bit done. You can just leave your hair like that. Like sometimes I like to have it just like this, just because I feel like it puts the front bit back. Then the next stage you want to do is do your little half up, half down do. I forgot another bobble, I'm gonna have to go get one second. So the next thing you want to do is just take your brush and you want to start making like a half up, half down. So I think the half up down, when I do it, I usually do it sort of about here. So I don't take it from the bottom where this is. I like a bit to be able to go over the ears, if you know what I mean. So I do it sort of in line with the edge of my eye, just the eye to the hair, and just sort of do the same thing like we did before. Just basically go along the line, and you want to just make it sort of as even as you can, but you literally can't tell once it's done, so it doesn't really matter, it's not that precise, like that. And then do the same with the other side, sort of going along the same line. Okay, and then what you want to do is just take your brush and just brush this into a really neat pony. And then you literally just want to take another bobble and tie it round. Don't worry, you won't be seeing this bobble at the end because we're going to wrap some hair around. And nice and tight. I hate when it's like the last one, you don't know if you can get it round. There we go. And then you want to just do this really tight so it kind of stands on the top of your head. Like that. Okay, I'm actually a bit out of breath from that, sorry. That's the hardest bit done of the hairstyle. So then you just want to get all your hair and put it all back around the front. And now it's basically just for the flicky ends and the little wrap around the bubble part. So I just brush the rest of it down again. Okay, so I forgot to say in the little ingredients list at the beginning you needed a grip. So what you want to do is take a small piece of hair from the back of the ponytail, so like underneath, if you know what I mean, like just here. And then just wrap it around your bobble and grip it down. And this kind of makes the ponytail stand up a bit, but I kind of like that. And then you want to make sure when you're gripping it that you're gripping this at the back of the ponytail rather than at the front, so you won't see it. And you kind of just put the grip sort of in the direction of the ponytail. So that's that. The ponytail is now all wrapped around. And now into the bit that's a bit sort of hit and miss. So I'm just going to take the straighteners, and this is when you want to do the whole flick in the hair. This is where I feel like if you had short hair, it'd be so much easier, because I feel like long hair is just quite heavy. It just sometimes takes a little bit of work with the straighteners to get the flick there. Whereas I feel like if you had quite short hair, it'd be a lot easier because your hair would be a bit lighter. Also, my hair is very thick, so I feel like that kind of contributes. So this isn't the ponytail bit at the minute, it's just the bits that are sort of all down. And you just want to take little sections and just go down with the straighteners like this. And then when you get near the end, you just want to flick up. Like that. And it does look a bit crazy at the start, but trust me, once you've done it all, you brush it all out, it won't look like that. So you want to just keep taking small sections and do that. So it does look a bit different at first, but once it's all done, that's when the flicks will kind of all combine together. But I feel like this hairstyle is just really fun to create. Like, I just feel like it's a bit different. It also is really good for like keeping your hair off your face, because it's literally just all up off your face. I just feel like it's a properly spring vibe. Like, I really wanted to get one of those ponytails. Like, I still might, because I guess it's quicker than having to do the whole hair yourself. I like being able to do it myself on my own hair. I feel like it's just quite satisfying. If you have too big of a section, the flick won't work. So that's why you do small ones. Okay, so that's that side of flicks kind of done. I'm just going to combine them all together. And you just kind of just run your fingers along them. And it will just kind of combine into one. Obviously, if you've got layers, some of the flicks are a bit short. It kind of gives you a little bit more than straight, but not curly, if you know what I mean. So, just like that. And then, with the pony, I'm going to do the other side off camera, because I feel like you're going to get really bored if I just do the other side. And then with the ends of the ponytail, again, just like tighten it so it comes right on the top of your head. And then you want to do the same thing with the ponytail and just take little sections and do the flicks with that. And you just want to keep going around the ponytail in little sections until you've curled all of it around. I just feel like this is such a spring hairstyle. Like, it just reminds me of spring. I have no idea why. Ponytail just wants to be like with flicks in it. You can kind of do it up or down either way. I just kind of do a mix of both. I feel like I do literally just have the same hairstyle every single day. So when I discovered that I could actually do this, like, it's so easy, honestly. It's just good, because I feel like I literally always just have curly hair. That's all I do. I never straighten it. I never have it in like up, really. I just literally have down curly hair, and that's it. That's really as adventurous as my hair gets. So I feel like this is quite an out there one for me. So really enjoying pastel colours right now. Like the spring pastel colours, I just feel like they're everything and more. I've actually got some pastel green joggers on, which are from Pretty Little Thing. I did this makeup on my channel. I'm not sure which one is going up first, this one or my hair, but I'll link makeup in the description box of this video as soon as that's up, or if it's already up. Definitely go check it out, because it's kind of like my everyday sort of spring makeup look, which matches the hairstyle well. So I feel like I need to go take some Instagram outfit pictures now when I've got this hair in. Okay, so I'm happy with that side of the ponytail. I'm literally just gonna go ahead, do the other side, and then finish off the flicks, and then we'll come back, finish it all off with some hairspray. Okay, so it's nearly done. I thought I'd just come join you again, because I finished doing the flicks on that side. And now I'm just kind of sorting out the ponytail, making sure it's all perfect how I want it. I feel like once the straightens are really hot, the flicks are a lot easier. Like, they just go a lot bigger and better. Look at that flick over there. That's a good flick. I like that flick. So I'm pretty sure that's about it. You could fully like gel this all down if you like that look. I personally just like to get a little bit of hairspray on it, so I'm just kind of pass it down a bit. I feel like that makes it look quite neat anyway. And I hate the feeling of loads of hairspray in my hair. And then I'll just brush through these a bit to make it all kind of combine together like that. and then do a little bit of hairspray on the whole thing. And that's it. So that is the kind of flicky ends hairstyle that I wanted to do. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you do try it. Definitely comment down below how it turned out if you did give it a go. The first time didn't go as well as this, I must say. Like, I feel like it takes maybe like a couple tries to make it perfect, but I did go out in it the first time, so it didn't go that badly. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I would absolutely love if you would stick around, join the little family and subscribe. That would mean so much. I post videos every single Thursday and Sunday, so if you don't want to miss all of those, then definitely stick around and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!